Hi, you are loved. It's me down here, and I got a package, and I want to open it. But I thought I could film it because it's electronics stuff. Partly, I think, PC related. I can't exactly remember what I ordered, but let's see. Oh, right from the start, my shame smiles into my face. I got a USB mini fridge. I don't know that I have any use for it. Although it's so hot now that I would like to keep my drinks a bit colder. I'm red in the face, it's hot, I'm sweaty. So I guess... so cools down to 10 to 15 degrees at 25 Celsius ambient temperature. So around now. Abs with metal finish. I don't know what that means. Let's see. This is... Why did I get this? Is it doing something? Oh, it is doing something. Now it's warming up. Now it's trying to... Let's check on that. I could I fit my... Can't quite fit my water bottle in there to see if it makes difference. SurgeProtector. A 5 outlet SurgeProtector. I bought this when it was lightning. It was a thunderstorm time. So this seemed like a nice idea. And I hope it works. I hope it protects me from a surge. I hope I don't ever have to see whether it works or not. So, hi, welcome back. The camera stopped recording, so I don't know how long that went on without. But I, after struggling, was able to managed to be able to. I plugged this in, and when you turn it on, it has a light that says surge protection is working. Now, during the fight with the camera, I happened to check on this. I put it on what the manual said was cooling down, but this is very hot. I'm gonna flip the switch to what it should now be cooling down. I don't know if that's audible, but now I guess the fans are trying to get the heat that was created out of there. So we'll check on that even later. Ooh, then we have another 140mm Noctua Fan, which is nice for cooling. Not that I needed it desperately. Then a 10-gram pack of Haribo Gummybears. This is something this company always sends with their deliveries to give you like PC building candy. That's very nice. I like that about them. For example, Ooh, then a 5-meter HDMI 2.1 cable for when I move out and I want to plug a TV into my computer to be able to watch anything from subscription services or the like. This is very handy for the future. Not so much for now. Sunglasses that you got for free if you bought something worth €50 or more. So basically free. It's not like it's €50 sunglasses. Next thing is a USB 2.0 hub. And this is useful to me, and hopefully this is any quality. At least there's a blinding bright blue light. It's a light, and it's blue, and it's in my eyes now. But at least there's a light to tell you that a current is going through this. This might need some fighting to get out. Let's see. Getting this out of there took more fighting than I'd like to find in my life. A triple desk mount monitor stand thingy. Because space on my desk is not super existent. Ooh. That's a hefty monitor arm, which that's very good. Okay, I have raspberry soda, I have ice cubes, and this is getting colder. Okay, it's very particular about the size of your glass. If it widens at all, you're doomed. By which I mean the door doesn't close completely. So then it has to draw more power and work harder. Guess it works better for thin bottles, which it kinda is made for. I don't know what this video was, but I made it. And if you want me to see what these products have become now that they are here in my possession, in other words, if you want a review of them, please do tell, so I know to make one. It's not very convenient to get anything out of the fridge. The ice cubes might also contribute to the coldness of this. I know. Pretty easy to open, especially if it's a bit open. Thank you for watching. Remember you're loved. Let's spread some love also today.